Porsche winched up on here using the winch that comes with each one of our machines. And now we're going to put this car actually in the sill clamps and show you just how quick and easy it is compared to a car liner or a Cheetah. You don't get access to the bottom of the car. You don't get the speed to be able to put it on. So let's show you how it goes. Well, I'm no NASCAR pit crew member, but I scurried pretty quick. But that's one man with one impact, one airline, putting the car ready now for pulling on the stands.